Hi guys, my name's Rushmead and welcome to the Prep Prof Gaming Bukkit plugin tutorial episode 3? Yeah. This time we're going to do healing players or yourself or others using commands. This may be a little bit complex for you guys. If you find it is, don't worry, I will put the code in the description. And if you want me to go over the code again, just make sure, just put it in the comments or just somehow make sure you message me or contact me. So let's get straight into it. We're going to need well, for commands, they're not really events, so it's not really an event. There's no on chat event check of a command. It's actually a boolean method. So public boolean, and then it's on command, and then as you can see, there we go. And what I like to do is okay. Oh no. Hello. Oh God. Hello. You can a second. Wait a second, please. Okay, guys, I'm back. So the arguments for this here is command sender. So who's sending the command? I like to call that sender. Then we have the command, so what the actual command was, and I like to call that CMD because it's a command. Next we have string, which is command label. So command label, and then we have our arguments. So string. Oh, hello. I can't spell today. String. It's a list of string. It's a string list. It's multiple strings, and it's args. There we go. Control Shift O. Auto import that. Make sure it's org.bukkit.command. Make sure that's that. And then it's gonna pop an error because you haven't actually given it a return, so we're gonna return false. There we go. Simple as that. Boom. Now, let's see what command. /heal. Let's make a /heal command. It's simple enough. So we're gonna check if the command. We're gonna say, hey, because this says it gives you who's sending it. Gives you the command it's actually sending. It gives you the actual command they're saying as a string, and it gives you the arguments that they're using. So we're gonna first of all we're gonna check whether the command that they're saying is equal to dot equals ignore case heal. We're gonna say right. Does the command look equal to heal? If it is, do this code. If not, ignore it. Next, we're gonna check whether the sender is a let me check this. No, we don't need to do that. Next, we're gonna go for the command, the arguments. So we need to check if there's one argument, two arguments, because you want to say no. Anyway, okay. So if command label equals ignore case heal, so we're just saying, hey, if the command's equal to heal, then do something. Now we're gonna say, right, how many arguments are there? We're gonna have a switch, so we're gonna see how many arguments there are. This normally irritates me because there's one reason. 0 is there aren't any there aren't. 0 is normally the first argument after the command, and I always mess that up. But this time I'll get this right. Okay. Figuring out how to do this. First of all, let's check if whether there actually are any arguments. So if arguments is equal to null, we can actually heal that player. That is another way of doing it. So what we're gonna do is okay. So we also need to check whether the sender is a player. Because if it's not, if there's no argument and the sender isn't a player, then how? And it's a console, for instance. How are we gonna heal that person? How are we gonna heal the console? It's impossible. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna say if sender dot dot is equal to command sender dot no. Am I right? One sec. Oh wait. if the sender is an instance of the player, then we're just going to continue. So we need to import player. There you go. Now, what we need to do now is we need to say, let's make a player. Let's make an instance of a player. So it's not going to be make a new one. We're going to say, let's make a new variable called player, called P, which is the player, who is, we need to cast sender to player, because we already know that sender is a player. Because, as you can see here, sender is command sender. So we need to cast player to sender. Simple as that. Next, next we need to see, we need to put p dot set health. And we're going to do p dot get max health. Which one did it? Max health. And there you go. I think, or did I do that wrong? Yeah, it's ambiguous. Okay. So instead, what we're going to do, so there's an error there. It's red underlined, there's an error. So what do? Well, what we do is we say double health is equal to p dot get max health. No, we don't. Hold up. Int health is equal to p dot get max health. So actually, why you may be thinking, why can't we just cast double to set health? It's a good point actually. So why don't we try this? Cast double to that. But that doesn't work either. Because this here is ambiguous. Because in one of the updates they decided they wanted to change it from integer to double. That's what they wanted to do. They wanted to change get max health to double instead of having an integer. Now what they've done is they made it so that you can actually still use both of them. But how do we get around? Now, another way we can do it is say damageable. So damageable, I think that's right. Damageable DM is equal to sender is equal to p. Damageable. Of course I can't spell. Okay, and then what we can say is we can set it to dm dot get max health. And fantastic. We're basically saying set the player's max health to damageable, which is DM, to get the max health of the player. That's all we're doing, and that's done. So that's only if the player types /heal. That's only what it would do. But what if there are more than one argument? What if there is an argument? Well, we can say. So you remember we added this switch statement down here. Well, that's just saying. We're saying switch through every argument there is, and what we do inside here is we say, right, if the case is 0, so if you're on number 0, do this. And what we're going to tell it to do is we're going to tell it to do player p is equal to bucket dot get online player dot get player get player, and then you're going to put args and then 0. Now that's what that's saying is saying, hey, it's saying right, if the case is 0, right, get the player, which is p. So make a new player called p, which is equal to bucket. Hey bucket, get a player with this username. That's basically what we're saying now. Now we need to do exactly the same as what we did with the other one. Damageable DM is equal to p dot set max health. No, set health even. dm.getMaxHealth. Simple as that. And that's it. Now, another thing we need to do is we need to go on to we need to edit our plugin.yml. Oops, here we go. We need to make it so there's some commands. So what we do is do commands and then semicolon, and then we put the name of the command. So ours is heal, and then you put. So we're gonna give a description of what this does. What's this here? YML ain't a markup language. Anyway, we're gonna put the heal command. And there we are. And there we go. So that's the description. Done. Boom. As simple as that. Now save. Come back into here. Refresh. And guys, I'll be back once I have exported it, reloaded the server, and got my Minecraft server up. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got my server online. Here it is. Down here. I'm going to join the server. And as you can see, I'm in the game. And what I'm going to do is going to game mode 1 myself. I'm going to go fly really high up to the skies. Drop myself. Should lose a couple of hearts. There's it. If not all my hearts. Did not want to do that. Let's find a quick way to kill myself. Let's see. Let's spawn in some zombies at make it night. Okay, let's say I'm in a tough situation. I got some zombies hitting me pretty bad. Quickly do slash heal. No, there was an error. Okay, guys. So I found a little error in my code. I can't believe I keep doing this. I'm seriously not gonna do this anymore. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna finish this off. So we need to check if the argument is 0. We need to check whether actually we need to say right. Get the argument if the argument is number 1. And that should fix everything, and I'll be back in a moment, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm being attacked by all these monsters. Quickly, slash heal! Oh, I didn't do it. Oh, no. All these monsters are back again. Slash heal! I'm fine. Heal. As you can see, I'm getting full hearts all the time. Every time I do slash heal. Which is pretty damn awesome. I'm actually refilling hearts, if you don't see it. Next, we're going to test the feature where, if I go into the console and I do heal, rush mead, there's an error. Well, that's fantastic, isn't it? If there's an error, it's fantastic. Isn't it? It's always fantastic. If I do slash heal rush mead here, is it going to do it? No, because there's an error. I keep mucking up my code, don't I? Jeez, guys. I think I'm going to do it. I think mucking up code makes it more interesting to watch. Or harder to watch. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm back in my... Die. Okay, guys, I fixed that. I just had to change one little bit of code. Let me just go and game mode 1 real quick. Here it is. I changed this to argument 0 because you know it's the first argument. Okay. So then we go back into. Let me just show you that it works. Let me go slash game mode 0. Oh, I'm being attacked. Quick slash heal rush. Oh no. Okay, well I'm gonna wait for these zombies to get me. Come on. Come on, come get me. Now I'm being attacked. There we go. Heal, rush mead. Heal, rush mead. Heal, rush mead. And that's basically the basic command. You could do a lot more from that base command. I just did heal because it's pretty cool. And yeah. Next, guys. Next tutorial, I'm gonna do freezing players and teleporting players. I might do one or I'll do one or the other. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace out. I mucked it up this time, didn't I? Jesus, I can't believe I did that. Wait, still recording.